Since I'm talking on Pakistan cricket all the now as of now with Qadir, the other bowler who impressed me most was Saqlain Mustaq, and he is the man who, besides uh, Harbhajan Singh, I think he is the first man to introduce Dusra, and the way in which he was bowling, and then he went on to English tour. That is the time when English people did not know what was Dusra. And Saqlain Mustaq was a genuine off spinner, like all of us. And then he was excellent as an off spinner with a tremendous length and line, big spinner of the ball. And as and when he started playing more and more, his deception of flight was a value added to him. He was a little flatter to start with, but later on he cultivated the habit of flighting the ball, taking the ball away even without bowling a dusra. And he had that ability of drifting the ball and bringing it back as an off spinner. So tempting a batsman to cover drive him and taking him out clean bowled, and he is the man who did that. And I think that phase where Saqlain was the leading among all the off spinners, Saqlain, Harbhajan, they were all in the same block of, I think that same period they were there. But Saqlain was little ahead of them. But I think it was his bowling which really impressed me, because he is the one man who had all the capabilities of English spinners like Fred Titmus, Ray Illingworth, whom I have seen, almost similar pace of bowling, but with a subcontinental touch of turning the ball, drifting in, drifting out, and then leaving the batsman both ways, including Dusra. Dusra was another type of a ball which he bowled, but conventionally he had all the capabilities of an off spinner, and his strength was definitely, again, was very strong in basics, length and line. I think his variations he could control with his action, which I see visibly even in the initial stages, because he had that high action to a little round arm action. He had that control of width of 10 to 12 degrees of bowling arm width for his various variations of line, length and flight. And as I said earlier, and I still believe, he could have had few more wickets or few more of international cricket. Why I'm so impressed with him was that he could command respect from Sachin Tendulkar. I mean, let us put it this way: it's not a question of being hit or taking wickets. I think he has had a couple of wickets against Sachin Tendulkar in '99 series, but I think Sachin Tendulkar respected him too, because I don't think he was as comfortable as against him as he would be normally against most of the spinners, including Shane Warne, I can tell you, because his dusras and his flighted off spinners, I think was a little doubtful. And he is one man who changed Pakistan cricket as well. After his coming into the team, the Pakistan attack looked more dangerous, because it had all the combination of pace come spin, and Pakistan by and large fighters as such. So I'm very impressed with his bowling too.